taas! Me oleme taas kordsalt Elisa.
Jälle meie ja Laura.
Selles episoodis tutvustame teile just filmi teadusprogrammi, mida me siis väga loodame, et te kõik lähete vaatama. Ja me vaatame neid teiega koos, tutvume ja teeme nalja.
Me oleme väga vaimukad. Ja esimeseks filmiks Puude varjatud elu.
Vot siuke nimi.
Wow.
Inglise keeles on The Hidden Life of Trees, kui teid huvitab.
Vot. Aga ma ütleks sulle saksa keeles ka, sest see on saksa film, aga ma ei oska saksa keelt.
Nii et ei õppiga.
Meiega oli see õppiga saksa keelt.
Täpselt. Ja muideks, see film on selle aasta üks tunnustatumaid dokumentaalfilme. Nii et ma arvan, et see tuleb päris põnev. Peaks olema väga hea. Aga hakkame pihta ja vaatama ja... jah. Okei.
Wow. Puud.
Ja kahjuks ei ole filmi subtiitreid.
Ei, filmid muidu on. Traileril ei
ole subtiitreid.
Der Mutterbaum verbindet sich mit dem Kleinen und ernährt ihn mit. Man kann regelrecht sagen, der wird gestillt. Bäume sind keine Holzproduktionsmaschinen. Es handelt sich um fühlende Wesen. Wenn Sie was für den Wald tun wollen, können Sie es unterlassen, dort rumzusägen. Wenn wir Naturschutz machen, schützen wir nicht die Natur. Wir schützen uns selber. Natürliche Wälder sind Superorganismen. In einer Handvoll Walderde stecken mehr Lebewesen, als es Menschen auf der Erde gibt. Die Natur können wir gar nicht kaputt machen. Die wird sich immer wieder erholen. Der Wald kommt zurück. Es wäre nur schön, wenn wir dann noch da sind.
See meenutab mulle nagu neid dokke, mis ETV-st tulevad. Mulle nii hullult meeldivad need. Nagu näiteks... mitte võimalik või Venemaal, vaid see...
Võimalik, vaid Venemaal, mul lemmikdokk.
Vaid see... It's been 84 years. Ma ei tule meelde praegu.
Järgmiseks on meil tore Rootsi tüdruk. Või temast tehtud film.
Ma arvan, et juba kõik teate, kes ta on.
Kõik teate. Ütleme kõik koos.
Greta!
Yes.
Nagu te ilmselt juba oletate, siis see räägib tema aktivisti elust. Kuidas ta hakkas protestima üldse, miks ta seda teeb ja me näeme väikest sugu lõikude elust.
Ja tema suurt tähelendu.
Täpselt. Ja ma arvan, me rohkem ei peagi väga kommenteerima. Nii et hakkame vaatama.
People always tell us that young people are going to save the world. But there is simply not enough time to wait.
The fallout from climate change.
The impacts could be catastrophic.
All of this with the global warming, it's a hoax.
It is the most pressing issue of our time.
You have to go to school.
When it came to the climate crisis, I saw my parents were just like everyone else. We weren't doing enough. For many years, people refused to listen to me. Children were very mean. But I don't care about being popular. I care about climate justice.
She felt she had to do something and she had to do it on her own.
Is climate change an issue that children like yourself should be concerned about?
You suffer of Asperger syndrome.
I wouldn't say suffer from, but I have it. When I get interested in a subject, I become laser focused.
There's a real movement that's growing.
Greta comes up on stage, she speaks, and her words are devastating.
My name is Greta Thunberg, and I want you to panic. We are in the midst of a mass extinction. Time is running out.
I can't just sit there and watch her do all this for the environment and do nothing.
We will be a pain in the ass. We will keep on striking until they do something. We don't want to burn out.
I think you should especially be really careful.
I have been invited to the United Nations Summit, and since I don't fly, it It's going to be a challenge. This is all wrong. I should be back in school, on the other side of the ocean. What we are doing now, future generations can't change. Despite all the beautiful words and promises, our political leaders have failed us.
Some people are so arrogant to think they can change climate.
She faces a really, really tough journey.
Nothing is happening, so we must do what we can. We will not stop until we are done.
You read a lot on climate.
A lot. I'm a nerd.
Nii tubli.
Järgnev film on meil siis Barefoot ehk siis paljajalu, mis räägib ühest mehest,
Mark Bauerist.
Mark Bauer, kes otsustab kõndida paljajalu läbi Ameerika, et nii-öelda protestida või tuua tähelepanu kliimamuutustele taaskord jälle. Kliimamuutus on väga oluline ja aktuaalne teema ja sellest tuleks väga palju rääkida.
Täpselt.
Nii et...
Hakkame pihta.
Mina arvan, see võib väga olla.
Mina arvan ka.
All right, well, be good, house. Don't fall apart while I'm gone. I'll miss you. Oh man, I just realized I'm running across America barefoot. Oh, it's really happening.
He was sort of standing in the corner of this room and he said, I'm going to go on this barefoot walk.
This is how I walk through New York City. Barefoot, barefoot.
He was really hitting his stride as a writer and a poet. You know, doing this kind of almost like guerrilla theater where he'd go out with his camera.
He said I'm going viral. He said I'm going viral.
Oh yeah, this dude's awesome. He's crossing the country with bare feet.
He wanted to save the planet. He wanted to make people aware of climate change, that we're destroying the earth.
You know, climate change isn't something we will worry about in the future. It's now. The earth is just getting warmer and warmer. And the thing about it is, all these changes to the earth, these are all human-induced.
He was doing something really dangerous. And he knew that it was dangerous. And I think that was kind of the point, in a way.
If I die on this trip, it's not going to be because I didn't wear shoes. It's going to be because an automobile kills me. Anytime you walk near automobiles, you're putting yourself in danger.
We were just like, we should just tell him to come home. Like, why didn't we tell him to come home?
My journey across the country is a metaphor to not give up.
People have talked about Mark being this, you know, barefoot vegan superhero. You thought that Mark somehow was invincible, that there was nothing that could take Mark out.
There is something beautiful about the road. It's a symbol of going somewhere. And I just prefer to do it on my own 2 feet.
Tundub täiega hea film. Kindlasti soovitame.
See tundub siuke veitsike vaimukas ka. Nagu siis või noh, nagu teeb natuke nalja, aga tõsises.
Võitmes. Jah. Aga see oli siis meie teadusprogramm.
Kindlasti. Uurige, tulge.
Ja näeme kinos.
Bye bye!